I'm going to show you how to do single crochet decrease two ways. The first is single crochet two together, and the second is an invisible single crochet decrease. I'll be using American crochet terminology throughout. To work single crochet two together, insert the hook into the next stitch under both loops, yarn over, and pull up a loop just like you're going to do a single crochet, but stop right there. Don't finish the single crochet. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So we have two partial single crochets and 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete the single crochet two together. I'll do that one more time. Go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch under both loops of the stitch, pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. You can see that this single crochet two together leans a bit. It leans toward the second stitch that you made, or the second decreased stitch. For an invisible single crochet decrease, insert the hook from front to back just under the front loop. So here's my V of my next stitch. I'm going just under the front loop like this, and then I'm going to rotate my hook and go under the front loop of the next stitch. So I've gone under 2 front loops, do a yarn over, pull it through both of those loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Let me do that one more time. I'm going to do a regular single crochet. So regular single crochet is working under 2 loops. There's my single crochet. My invisible decrease involves going from front to back under the front loop only, and then from front to back going under the front loop only of the next stitch. So I've gone under 2 loops, the next 2 stitches, front loops only, both of them from front to back. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2. An invisible decrease doesn't lean at all. It sits straight up and down just like a regular single crochet stitch does. If you'd like more instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for more ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.